WhatsApp users in India and other countries woke up to an in-app notification about its new terms of service and privacy policy. The company informed users about the changes made in privacy policy and terms of service. Some users had started getting the notification on late Tuesday morning, but a lot of users were greeted with the WhatsApp notification first thing in the morning. The Facebook-owned messaging app started trending on Twitter soon after users reported getting the message about its changes policy. WhatsApp is updating its terms and privacy policy. The notification that is sent to Android and iOS users by the company read. Some of the key updates would include how WhatsApp processes the user's data, how businesses can use Facebook hosted services to store and manage their WhatsApp chats, and how WhatsApp partners with Facebook to offer integration across the Facebook company products. The WhatsApp notification read. WhatsApp new terms of service and privacy policy will go live on February 8, 2020. In order to continue using the service, the user will have to accept the terms and conditions. If the users do not accept the new terms of service, they will no longer be able to use the WhatsApp from February 8. WhatsApp has also updated its privacy policy on its website and given a detailed overview of how the app will change. Our services have optional features which, if used by you, require us to collect additional information to provide such features. You will be notified of such a collection as appropriate. If you choose not to provide the information needed to use feature, you will be unable to use a feature. For example, you cannot share your location with your contact if you do not permit us to collect your location data from your device. Permission can be managed through your setting menu on both Android and iOS devices. WhatsApp wrote. WhatsApp also explained how much of data is collected automatically by the messaging application. We collect information about your activity in on our servers, like services related diagnostic and performance information. This includes information about your activity, including how you use our services, your services setting, how you interact with other using our services, including when you interact with the business, and the time frequency and duration of your activities and integrations, log files and diagnostic crash, website and performance logs and reports. WhatsApp wrote. They also include information about you registered to use our services, the features you'll use like our messaging, calling, status groups, including group name, group pictures, group description, payments of business features, profile photo, about information, whether you are online, when you last used our service, your last seen, and you last updated your about information, it added.